Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of yes, it's Thursday. Wow, Thursday. um yeah, that means the full lockdown was on Sunday. That means today it's day number 5 of the full lockdown. Yes. Well, in today's newspaper we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. But we have good news, because in today's newspaper we have also an additional with 9 extra puzzles, with the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, killer Sudoku, binary puzzle, and the second binary puzzle. Total of 9 extra puzzles, but I won't do them all. Only 5 of them I will solve. And but first I will start with the regular medium Sudoku. Well, this one will be a number 3871. Yeah, 3871. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. So, it's a for 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for the 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 3 ones, we have 3 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 3 4 eights, and 1 9. Let me see with the 8. Well, I cannot do a lot with the 8. Okay. So, next strategy. This big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and a 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the first row. So, no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then, I see a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. Oh, we have 4 sevens. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this column. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. Then, yeah. How about, let me see. Yeah. Interesting. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number is a 5 and the 9 in the second row. We have a 5 and a 9 in this big square, so no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and a 9 in the second row goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the last column, so no 2 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in the first column. 3 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Let me see. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then how about this missing number in this row? This box should be, we have a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. Cannot continue with the 9. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3. And the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5, should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4 in this big square. We see here 4 in the second column. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in this middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the... I'm missing the 4 here. Well, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Okay. Then 1 number left in this column for the number 1, and the 2 is missing. Okay, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 1 number left in this column for number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. Yes, 6 is missing. Okay. Alright. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 169. And look, we have a 9 here. So no 9 in this box. Here also a 9. No 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6 are missing. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Alright. 6 in this column. Last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. Alright. Then how about the 2 in this column? 2, last column. The 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and the 8. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers. In this big square for the numbers, so 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars. Told you. And I like this one. Yes. I like this medium Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later in the evening with the other 5 extra puzzles in the additional of today. Until then, bye-bye for now.